Y'all, I'm going to show y'all how to make the best creamy grits without using milk, because I know a lot of people use milk in their grits. Sometimes I do, but you really don't need it. Everyone will tell you I make the best grits. I know I say I make the best everything, but I make the best grits. So the water is boiling. Let me turn it down some to like a medium low. Got my grits. The key is to put a little bit of water, because you can always add more, but you don't want to keep on adding grits. So before, I'm going to start off with just that much. That's probably all I need. And I stir it a little. I let it go for a little bit. So I'll be right back. Well, I'll be back when it's boiling a little. By the way, y'all, I'm making sausages, maple sugar sausages, wing sausages, and scrambled eggs with cheese. So I'm gonna let it go a little more, but I'm only focusing on the grits, y'all. Y'all seen me make eggs, and y'all seen me make sausages already, but y'all haven't seen me make grits. So I'll be back. Now, depending on how thick or thin you want your grits, you can add as much water as you want. I like my grits thick. Thick, thick, thick. I told y'all I like everything thick. Alright, so got my butter. I'm using Land Lakes. So put, sorry for the noise, y'all. One spoon. I'm not used to working with one hand. And then I'm gonna put another tablespoon. Let that melt in. And I like a lot of pepper, as y'all know. So put my pepper in there, and I put a lot of pepper. I like a lot of pepper. Then I'll put more, let that melt in, and be right back. Okay, y'all. So let me stir. So I can see they're getting thickened up. They're thickening up. Stir it around. And start adding my cheese. And I just lay it. That's 3 slices of cheese. Just lay it in there, and I just smash it down. Don't break it up. And I like to just see it melt through. Then I'll start to stir. I'm gonna just let that go, and I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, it is getting thick. That's the cheese. I'm stirring it up. It's getting thick. And it's gonna keep thickening up. And then I usually, if it gets like too thick, I usually just add more water, but this is enough grits and this is enough water. I don't even have to add any more water. The cheese is melting through nicely. And that's too thin for me. I still want them thickened up more. Sausage is basically done. And then I just have to put eggs. So I'm gonna let that go, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, they're done. This is how I like them. Creamy, thick and creamy. Not thick and hard, thick and creamy. It's a difference. This is how I like my grits. So now when I tell y'all they're delicious, they're delicious. And I added more pepper. So I'll show y'all the end result once it's plated. But that's how you get your creamy grits. No milk, just water, cheese, and butter. Put as much cheese as you want. Put no cheese if you want. I like cheese in my grits. But I'll be back, y'all.